downside there so that you can able to reach out and come and see. So in Kisumu, a place called Dunga Hideout. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, it depends where you are. So today I have an experience. I want to do some watching video something. So just wait and see the way how it will be. Yeah guys, it's been long, but I'm giving you some back to back videos, and just subscribe, like, comment, share. The place to be TheGor Diaries. Subscribe to Robin Smith, Kenya. Subscribe to the Spotlight and other more guys. So just keep tuned and see what will happen next. Yeah. It's a place in Kisumu. Yeah. So thanks to my cameraman. Bring the 3D, so you can able to see it. This is the first time I traveled from somebody supported me to do this video. Yeah. So already. Chapakola. So guys.
Microphone.
So tunaenda the same. Wow.
Just
Waeke kitu scary.
suggest hataki scary.
So this
Neza recommend what?
shooting
Before we land, your time will be already up.
So guys, I'm going to the space. Yeah, so yeah.
You got 15 years experience in business. Not 13. Boys. 15. Yogo chikutwathi ukimu.
Sasa hii nyumba nani sikia? Uwanja mimi.
Sanya kwa wiki. Pania. Pania. Naivas dia ya belle ngi jakkata mar Naivas. Ko soge de
control, si ndio?
Hii si automated.
Live, man. I've gone to Earth. I've gone to the planets around the universe. I've just seen them live. It was so fun, interesting. Mostly the last part when the driving of the car, it was really awesome. So guys, wow! I wish I could ask for these footages that I'm able to see for 3D. But I've been able to see how I've enjoyed the experience, and it was very nice. So guys, keep tuned, subscribe, like, comment to TheGor Diary. Yeah, my cameraman is doing a great job. I want to show you some view of Lake Victoria view of this is Lake Victoria. Yeah. So today I have some awesome. From the way I started to a gaming of 3D that I went to a planet. It was my first time. So I'm here unveiling today I'm doing some drone shot of Lake Victoria view. We are in okay, let me tell them. We are in this place called, my cameraman, Hideout Resort
In Kisumu.
in Kisumu. It's a good place to chill out. So I'll drop their name downside there so that you can able to reach out and come and see. So here I want to do some drone view. You can able to see the way this place it is. So this is how we do it. Concentrate on the video. My cameraman, are you serious with life? Be serious, my brother. You know, this is a business, and you know that. So there. So I won't continue. I won't continue to have a video of the actual when I fly the drone, because I want to use the phone. But I will show you some view of me where I've seated here. So guys, subscribe, like, comment. The place to be, TheGor Diaries. And then finish subscribe. Hey, yeah. Camera. So I finalized the video by not taking a drone view because the airport required some licenses so that I can fly the drone, but I could have not able to fly the drone, and I could have get that time to approach the Kenya authorities of flying the drone, because they will need some licenses, but by now I don't have that license of flying the drone. So I'll just plan and do something about the lake one day when I'll be having that in. So guys, keep tuned. The place to be, TheGor Diary, and remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Till we meet again, guys. Yeah, I'm in Kisumu, a place called Dunga Hideout. Yeah, it's a good place. It's a hidden gym that is a good one. You can come and relax. You can able to see the view of the Lake Victoria, East and Africa Lake. Yeah, Lake Victoria. So till next time, guys.